Hello, my name's Simon Middleton. I'm Managing Director at Protek Group Limited, and here are my site insurance top tips. Okay, plant tools and equipment. If you're hiring stuff on site, you are responsible for it. If it's stolen, then you will need to replace it. So you need to make sure it's covered under your site insurance policy. You'll also be responsible for the continuing hire charges until it has been replaced. So make sure your site insurance policy covers continuing hire charges. If you're exercising control, managing the project, for example, then you will be responsible for health and safety on site. Everyone has a joint responsibility, but you're exercising that control. So make sure you understand what your responsibilities are. The HSC website has got some great guides. Don't have people working at height when there are people working below. It's pretty simple stuff, but get a risk assessment. Indemnity and professional reinstatement. If you have plant tools and equipment that you own yourself, then they will be insured on an indemnity basis, not new for old. So you need to be able to evidence what you've spent on something in the first place. Professional reinstatement costs. Make sure you insure the project for professional reinstatement. Don't rely on your build cost alone. That's really, really important. Stuff gets stolen from site all the time. Don't put cardboard boxes on the other side of the folding sliding doors, because a thief will break into the folding sliding doors just to see what was in an empty cardboard box. Take note of people that come into your site, write them down in a book. They now know who they are. Get some ID off them, and they're less likely to blab what they've seen on site down the road somewhere. If you have a claim, you need to act as if you're uninsured. Take photographs. If you need to get pumps in or a dehumidifier, for example, on a flood situation, then those costs will be coverable as part of the claim, as long as you can evidence them. Contracts, use them. They're really important. They're the glue that sticks it all together. Contractstore.com, do written contracts, very easy to use, very important. My home insurer said that they would cover my extension. They might do, but not for the risks that you physically face when you're doing an extension project. So get site insurance. Friends helping me on site. Well, if you've got people helping you, say painting, or you've got somebody in the trade that's prepared to do a little bit of work for you for free, they need to be covered under employer's liability. So make sure that includes voluntary workers. That's really, really important. My contractor has insurance. Okay, most contractors just have public liability. If you are relying on your contractor's insurance, then it needs to be for the project from start to the very finish. They need to be able to give you the keys and cover the whole thing. There needs to be a legal contract. They need to have contractors all risks cover, and the policy needs to cover the reinstatement value of your property. If they haven't got all of that, or they're just doing the shell and then moving on, you will need some site insurance. Public liability is about as much use to you as a chocolate teapot. Thanks very much. If you want any more information, go onto our website, protekselfbuild.co.uk, or by all means, contact us in the office and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.